Alright, this is the unboxing for this. I already took it out of the box. It's hard to do these with one hand, you know. It's easier if I was using some kind of tripod or something. So I was wondering if it had a handle, and it does. So this is the laptop carrying case for the 15-inch. Like mine is the 18-inch Dell. It's not like solid. Like when you knock on it, you're not gonna hear that really like hard shell. But I got this one because it said it was shockproof and waterproof, and it was less than the really hard shell one, and it like is thinner. So this one I feel like can fit inside of another backpack. And I ordered the backpack, which is hard shell. So therefore, this one is shockproof, waterproof. It could reduce some shock from like just jostling while it's being carried, but it's not really gonna survive like some extra high fall because of this. So if I really want that hard shell one for carrying it around more, I'll get that. But for now, since I got the backpack, like I'm sticking with this, and I'm not planning on taking it too many places. Because like even if I'm taking it somewhere, I'm taking it like on the plane, in the backpack, in this. And then when I get somewhere, I'm not planning on bringing it around in that like super hard shell briefcase, because I'm planning on keeping it in the hotel, like in this, you know, for the most part. I'm not planning on necessarily like bringing it mountain climbing or something like that. If I was gonna mountain climb and like set up camp and do my work from up there, then maybe I would get the really hard shell one. But for now, this is okay. So, I'm not sure what the name of it is. If I can find it, I'll put the link in the description. But anyway, this is what I got from my laptop.